Now, once you have access to Screencast.com, what you can do is you can go to your share button, you can go to the drop-down menu, and then you can go to Screencast.com. What you're going to want to do is to click this gear so that you can put in your login and password. You're going to choose a default folder for your TechSmith account, or you can choose to prompt for the file name and folder every time that you do this. You can choose to put your URL and thumbnail on the clipboard. And then once you do that, you can then click Save. Now what you have is a way of taking a screenshot and then sharing that screenshot with a direct link. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this capture button, and you're then going to take your screenshot. Then that image will be sent to your Screencast account. You're going to give that file a name and choose the folder. Once you do that, you'll then click OK. What you'll then want to do is you'll then want to view the link inside of your browser. Or you can click this button that says Get the Link. TechSmith will then give you a link inside of your browser. What you're then going to do is click this Share button. You'll then copy this link in order to give to those with whom you want to share, or you will embed the code into your website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.